me show you how to open paper accounts that receive money safely and quickly. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to open your paper accounts that you can use to receive money from anywhere in the world. To get started, click the link below this video. Once it is loading, it is going to bring something like this. So for you to get started, just click on business in order to get started. After picking business, click on sign up to get started. Create a business account, input your first name, your last name. Under this code name, you are going to change this code name to Nigeria and you input your phone number. So your phone number will be starting from 90 something instead of 090. Do you understand? You input your email, you create your password, and you get started. You are all ready. Just a second. Activate your account to start using PayPal. We will guide you every step of the way. Enter info about business or organization. Click on let's go. Before we start, which describe you best? This helps you to get the right tax forms later. So we are going to sign up as an individual seller, not as a business or no profit. Under this place, under the address line, you are going to search for any UK address and fill it in. For you to get address, you can go to random addresses in UK. Just type that into your browser and it is going to bring it out. So you are going to input. You know that we cannot have the same address here, so you can just look for address to use on random addresses. Input your address, line 1, line 2, your town, your country, your postcode. So the postcode you'll be using is UK postcode. You click on provide info. What are your monthly sales? If you don't know exactly, just enter your best guess. You can enter like $2,000, $5,000. Just enter anything. Do you have a business website? No. What is the business? What's the business's business address? This can't be a PO box. Pick use your residential address. You are good to go. What is your date of birth? You input that one. What is your nationality? You input it. This is the UK paper account, so you input United Kingdom. So for this place, you are going to put the address of the place you are staying. So make sure it matches your residential address on your tax documents. So make sure that the address you put on your residential address is the one that you are putting here again. That's all. We are done with the creation of UK paper account. So let's move to how to link your Grey accounts with your paper accounts. You can literally link any bank, maybe GPay, maybe Get Clever, maybe Grey, but I'll be showing you how to link Grey to paper. When you log in into your account, you are going to look down and you are going to see wallet. If you are not seeing wallet at this down part, you can see the circled something below this. If you are not seeing your wallet on this side, you are going to see three icon. Is it by the left or by the, I think by the left. So just click on it, look for back account. It is going to bring wallet out. So you are going to click on wallet and then it's going to bring something like this out. You are going to pick back account. This is where you can, when you link it to your paper, you can easily send funds from your paper to your bank account. So for you to link a bank account, if you are using Grey, they are going to ask for your, this is a UK paper, you ask for your sort code, your account number. So if Grey have already given you a UK bank details, just go to the place to go and look for your sort code, your account number, and you input both and you click on link bank account. Link bank account. It's going to bring something like this. You can now withdraw money from your paper balance to this bank account. Confirm your bank account so you can use it to pay or send money. They are going to send a code to your Grey. So once they send the code to your Grey, it will be more easier to get started. So when you come back to your paper, you will see confirm your account. Click on it and type in the code you've copied from Grey. I'll be showing you the second method right now. Make sure to watch to the end. So when you get to this side, they will ask you to input your legal business name. So I'll be inputting my business name, Income Institute. Then what's your trading name, what's your customer name you buy, and what shows up on your credit card statement. So I will click on use your legal business name, meaning they should use my business name, or you can input your name here, anyone that you want. What is going to show your credit card statement. What's your business phone number? I'm going to be using my Nigerian phone number. I've already input that. Then what's your business address? I'll be using Lesotho address for this. So let's go to random address in Lesotho. Then I'll click on it. Okay, it's still loading. Okay, let's look for something simple. So guys, after filling this up, already filled everything up from that random address, and I'm going to click on next. Fill us in on the basics Oluwakorede. Okay, make sure it matches what is on your government issued photo ID. Oluwakorede Faniran. Place of incorporation. So you're going to find the country, Nigeria. We pick Nigeria here. Okay, and submit. They are going to ask about your business, income, and assets. So just pick no. Pick no. So here, just click on submit. This is just for tax. So after submitting, they are going to bring you to this place. Got it, we'll reach out once we reviewed everything to get your account ready for business. So we've already verified our profile, we've confirmed our email, and it's remaining for us to link a bank or card. So in the next video, I'll be showing you how to link your bank card. This paper is ready for use. So if you've gotten value so far, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share.